Welcome to Fret Reps. This is part 2 of Learning the Scales the Easy Way. Learning the C major, Ionian scale is what this series is focused on by utilizing these neck labels that represents all the white keys on the piano. No sharps or no flats. If this is your first time with this video series, you need to start with part 1. It gives all the necessary information that you need to know. If not, welcome back and good for you for making the effort to getting better at the guitar. You will continue to gain everything from the first video and will still need to focus on the same things I listed. One thing I didn't say that you will gain in this development series is ear training. The more you play these scales, the more familiar you will be of the scale and what notes will come next. This is mind training. This is vital to learning by ear or jamming with others. You won't have to ask what key or note or even scale they're in. You'll be able to hear it and instantly know. You'll know what sounds right, what sounds wrong, and even if anyone, including yourself, is out of tune. This is important when you're ready to improvise. This routine is all about the E string in the 1-2-3, 1-2-3-3 pattern that we illustrate in the hand patterns video. This string doesn't start with 1 in the first set of 1-2-3. It starts with 2-3-3 in the second set of 1-2-3-3. Then continues on to the 1-2-3, 1-2-3-3 until you get to the octave. I know it sounds confusing. Watch the hand patterns video. Just follow the white notes on the string, but remember what I said so you can make the connection. There's one more thing I want you to start doing. You can look at the neck when you change patterns, but when repeating it, close your eyes. Okay, are you ready to get fretboard fit with fretboard repetitions? Let's do it. Downstrokes on the first string only. Hammer on the other two. Also, in the graphics area above, you'll see the name of the first note in each hand pattern. Say it out loud on every beat. Now upstroke the first note and hammer on the other two. Now pick every note in an alternate up-down stroke. But put your attention on the first note only, syncing it to the metronome. Okay, now you're going to pick the string in a staccato style. You'll do this by picking the string and immediately stopping it from sounding out with the pick in the opposite picking direction. Then picking the next note and stopping it, doing this to each note. If you are new to this, you might want to practice it a few times first. The exercise will train your hand on how far you need to stroke the string for it to sound out, but just enough to get to the other side. This will be an advantage when you're ready to speed pick. All right, good job. Good for you for making the effort. It's rare to find people who want to put in the hard work just to get better. Good enough is where most people will stop. That's what makes you special, and your hard work will show. If you followed the instructions and did the fifth string first, you'll remember what I said at the end. Make this your weekly routine and the benefits will start to show. Also, as you go through each video, if a YouTube commercial comes on, take that opportunity to do some stretches and shake out those hands. It's just as important as the exercises. And help me get paid for those commercials by subscribing to this channel. These exercise routines aren't too intense. It's up to you how hard you want to work it. You can do the exercise once a week, once a day, back to back for an hour, or over and over for hours. The harder you work, the more important are the stretches, but the more advanced you get in a shorter period. All the greats did it, and they did it all day long, even your Guitar Hero. A lot of them injured themselves as well, so be careful and do those stretches. The next video is the fourth string. Less talking, more exercising. This channel aims to teach you guitar by memorizing patterns. There's more to come, so welcome to Fret Reps. It's like CrossFit for guitar.
Fret Reps.